Hey yo, check this out. Supreme big nigga, big cat, rockin' with Little John, Eastside Boys, China White, Short Dog.
Hey, tell them niggas what's up though.
If you scared, get the fuck out the club, nigga.
Every 2 hours, switch with to keep them peoples on me. What you know about that? No doze and coffee, no sleep. I'm looking 40 with 3 bricks in a 740. Bitch, I ain't got time to party. I'm breaking bread with Dominican niggas over hot Bennigan's dinner. Thinking how I'ma cop the 6 at the beginning of winter. Chrome it out and fill it with timber. That's wood grain. What you ain't know? This a hood thing. All my thugs let your wood swing. Bitches make your ass clap. I'm taking all your ass capping. BMI, catch me driving DUI. Look, cause I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm living to die. Who on this track fucking with me? Y'all was willing to try. China White, a thug bitch with no feelings inside. Motherfucker.
The hen and coke and fire up that dro. It's ludicrous off Old National and got me rolled. The block is so clear, then I shock the globe. I clock the hoes, lock doors and drop the bows. I rock the shows, pop, lock and knock your nose. Your B.I.B. I grab my fofo and mop the flow. I mop and glow. The feds trying to stop my dough. They claim they caught me at the docks with a flock of snow. I bring the pain, cock back and swing the thing. Yo girl mad cause she told me don't even bring the thing. And then I told her, I said it's cool, get at me. And then my voice got raspy, cause I was smoking on some Cali and my eyes was dazed.